Hello guys, this is video number, I'm not sure if it's 12 or 13, and this time I will show you how to import and export data from and to Excel. When we first open Excel, let's open a blank worksheet. It used to be from here, from the data tab, and import data from table, from web, from text. I do it a different way. I go to file, I go to open, and I browse my computer, go to downloads, go to Excel. This is all Excel worksheets, but how to get a text file? We have text file. This is how we import it. We choose this option for it. We don't want to choose fixed width. I'll choose this option. And yes, my data has headers. Start import at row 1, file origin. It really doesn't make a difference, but I'll keep it to the United States. And delimiters. If you want to change this, I recommend to keep the tab, because see, when you take the tab, see what happens here. All my data gets into each other. And space, text qualifier, I just put none, or you can put this. And now finally, this is the last step. You can try your options, try to do it here. The date, how do you want it? Month, day, year. That's how we keep it here in US. Just choose general. Advanced. Well, I don't want that because this is very accurate stuff I don't want to play with. But this is how you import the data. Here's the data that we imported from a text file, and here all of it. You can see it here. Now if you want to add a format for it, yep, format it as that. Now cancel. I'll cancel it. I'll format the data here. Okay, now it's filtered too. See the filter here. See the years. Tab 3 years. All the data have been entered now. Now, how to import? There's another way of data to import into Microsoft Excel, which I will go back to open. I will go back file tab, then open, then browse, then I go here. There's too many extensions for files here, so if you know about the Access database, if you have worked on that before, you will be familiar with that, but I wouldn't expect you have worked on that before. So this is the Access data sheet. Click on, it will warn you a security warning. So I enable it. For me, I enable it. Now you can enable selection of multiple tables. You want to order query, order subtotals, and customers, 10 most expensive products. Okay. Do you want it in pivot table or pivot chart or only create connection? No, I just want it as a table. In a new worksheet, Yeah, let's open a new worksheet. It doesn't give me another option, so I'll just go with it. Each one will be in a new worksheet. That's why you see it's opening new worksheets. See those? Order ID and subtotal. There's order ID, customer, and all the ship address. As I said, and I always say, these are not real information. This is only for practice purposes. Okay, this is how you import and enter data to Microsoft Excel. How to export or save this data on different way. Let's say like your friend, you want to send it to your friend. He doesn't have Excel, which is impossible. Everybody have that on their laptops or computers. Let's say they don't have it. Try to save it. You want to save it on downloads, Excel. Here you can look for the file types. Let's see what you can. What do you have here? Oh, it's a web page. Web page. That's an easy way. You don't have internet. You can save it as PDF. You can save it as text, like what we just imported, text and Unicode text. You don't want that. Okay. This is how you export and import data from Excel. I'll save it as text file. See, it show you the text file now, so you name it different. You don't name it the same one, then you replace it. Let's say video 12 or 13, not sure. Save only the active worksheet because as a save, it doesn't save in a text file too many worksheets, so it only save one. So okay, now it will tell me you will lose all the formats you have on the page. I will say another okay, or didn't ask me that. Now I can just go back to the Excel and look for Excel text file and video 12 or 13, I'm not sure. It's back to the text. Okay, now let's try to open it in a new worksheet. Go file, go open and browse, and let's look for text files, and this is the one, and we will see it coming back but without the format that we used to have. Okay, it's not coming back. Open. This is a text file. Okay, I'll close. Don't save. And close and don't save. Now I will just bring data. Text CSV. Okay. Are we having the data now or no? Please wait. Please wait. Okay. Load it. Okay. Got them all. Well, thank you for watching and see you next video. Please subscribe for the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.